Happy New Year mga kaibigan! Oh my goodness! Mga kaibigan, naghanda kami ng New Year. Ang daming natirang ham. Ito mga anak ko, hindi pala sila mahilig sa ham. Kaya na sa susunod na New Year, hindi na kami maghanda ng ham. Ayan o, isang katutak pang ham. Ito pa, ham din to. Kaya mga kaibigan, naisipan ko, magsisig ako ng ham. What do you think? Bahala na, sisig style na ham. Hindi ko pa, online ako, wala naman nung nakitang sisig na ham. Pero bahala na, isisig natin para lang may ulam tayo. Kasi sayang naman kung tatapon mo lang yan sa Pilipinas yan, di ba? Pwede mo naman ipamigay sa mga kamag-anak mo, sa mga kapitbahay mo. Dahil mga kapitbahay mo, nakakatulong din sa iyo yan. Akala mo ba? Hindi lang chismis ang dulot ng mga yan. Minsan pag wala ka ring ulam, di ba? Nakikihingi ka ng ulam. Okay? So mga kaibigan, magsisisig tayo ng ham. Ham sisig. Let's go, baby. Okay, according to Google, sisig is one of the most well-known appetizers or pollutant in the Philippines, and is served on a sizzling platter and topped with egg. The meat is diced and sautéed with onions, soy sauce, vinegar, lemon juice, seasoned with salt, pepper, and other spices. So that's what we're going to do, guys. Alright, the first thing we need to do is we're going to saute the onions, what do you call this, garlic, and a little bit of ginger. I'm not really a big fan of ginger for my sisig. Alright, just giling. Giling. Alright. When the onion looks a little brownish, you can add your meat, your ham. In this, normally sisig are pork, but in this case, it is ham, baby. Well, technically this is still pork, but it is already a smoked pork. Hams are more smoked pork. Alright, again, giling. Alright, and I'm following the Google instruction. It says to put some soy sauce. Here we go. You tansya lang, okay? Or 5 teaspoons. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Like I said, it's better if you are going to cook this dish, you better use the inside of the ham because of the outside of the ham is glazed with honey and sugar. You don't want your sisig to be very sweet. Alright, alright, alright. Rock and roll to the world. Alright. And then, according to Google again, it says to put on some lemon juice and vinegar, but I'm only gonna put a little bit of vinegar. I'm not a big fan of vinegar, but a big fan of lemon juice. Here we go. I'm gonna get him right now. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna put some vinegar. Alright. Only a little bit in my case. About 5 tablespoons. There you go. That's enough for me. I don't like a lot of vinegar. And then we're gonna put some lemon juice. Here's our lemon juice. Oh yeah, baby. Come on, baby. Alright. When you put it in there, once again, you're gilling. Alright, guys. Okay. It's better that you cook it until the vinegar, the lemon juice are all dried up in there. Should be any time now because the flame is very big. Alright, now we're gonna spice it up with some pepper. Right there, baby. Yes, sirree, bub. And some garlic salt. Alright, baby. Yeah, baby. Alright. Then we put our chili. And then again we gilling. Alright. Come on, everybody. Can I get a roaring round of applause here? Palakpakan naman tayo, mga kapatid. Alright. Ayan. Dagdagan ko pa ng konting pepper. Dahil para cute lang. Alright. Walang kukontra. Okay. Now it looks done. So the next step that we have to do is to put the final touch, which is the egg. Right there. We'll put it on top. Right there, the egg, baby. I already turned off the fire. Yes. Alright. Okay, ito na po ang ating sisig hamon. Siyempre, masarap kainin ng hamon pag may alak. Ayan po, mga kaibigan. Oh yes, baby. Ginawa natin siyang pulutan, mga kapatid. So, kuha tayo ng konti dito. Oh yes. Sisig hamon. Ayan. Ayan, mga kapatid. Tikman natin. Sarap. Pwede na. Para hindi lang masayang yung hamon nyo, di ba? Mga ibang hamon eh. Minsan sa dami ng hamon ng mga tao sa Pilipinas, napapamigay na lang. Pero pwede mo siyang iluto ulit. Happy New Year, everybody. Woo! Matapang pala itong alak na to. Sili. Anghang. Woo! Okay mga kaibigan, hanggang dito na lang. Happy New Year everyone. Bye-bye!